Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, and Westborough, Mass, we have the 2022 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI. So this one is the TI all-wheel drive package, Active Assist Plus package, upgraded 20-inch Sport 5-hole wheels, and gloss red calipers with white scripts for a as-tested price when new of exactly, ironically, $56,000. Volcano black over black leather, 2-liter, 280 horsepower inline 4, mated to the 8-speed 8 HP 50 automatic. This thing is sweet. $7,100 miles on this one. Obviously, you have navigation, soft touch materials. Love the steering wheel. Loved it in the Hornet. Still love it in this. Panoramic sunroof. Embossed Alfa Romeo logos. 25 miles to empty on the gas, so that's gonna be fun. We are in Dynamica. You have Natural, and oh, I cannot remember for the life of me what the A is. I know it has something to do with fuel efficiency, but all right. Ooh. Reverse. There's your backup camera. We are in drive. I've driven a Stelvio. Yeah, we are in a Stelvio. Wow, I just completely forgot what car I was in. Driven a Stelvio before, but never for YouTube. Driven a Giulia for YouTube and before. Never driven a Quadrifoglio. So that day needs to come soon. Good old ZF 8-speed, man. Quick shifting auto. Brake pedal feels awesome. It's the thing with Alfa Romeos. Everybody tells me horror stories about reliability. They're pretty good, except for Quadrifoglios. But man, are they good to drive? Especially when you get the TI Sport with the big paddles, like the Hornet I just stepped out of has. You really start to say, wow, these things are good. And yeah, it's a turbo 4-cylinder. I don't know, I mean, redline's at 5,500 RPM. How much fun can this thing be? Then you realize this is very, very good power delivery. It pulls all the way through the rev range, from down low all the way to the top. So do you really need anything more than 5,500 RPM? Not really. And yeah, that's kind of diesel-like, except it keeps pulling. Diesels, once you get to like 2,500, they kind of stop pulling. This pulls all the way through the rev range. on the highway, nice and comfortable car. I need to make a pass. This is getting absolutely ridiculous. This thing is good. I love this thing. For a SUV, this might be one of my favorites. I don't know if I would buy one just because of reliability issues, or not even the issues, it's just the thought of it. And I don't know if that's warranted or not. I don't know enough about the reliability of these. Is that a Gen 5 Viper? Gen 1, Gen 2, Gen 3. Yeah, that would be Gen 5. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.